Morning guys, here's your word problem video for Monday, February the 8th, 2021. Okay, first thing we're going to do is read. Sharon has 3 dimes and 1 penny. Who are we talking about? Sharon. What does Sharon have? She has dimes and she has pennies. How many dimes? 3. How many pennies? 1. Okay, remember our dimes represent our tens. And our pennies represent our ones. Okay, over here Miss Suggs is giving you a picture of what Sharon has. These represent your dimes. These represent your ones. Okay, remember on the dimes, he is always facing to the left. On a penny, he is always facing to the right. Okay? Now let's talk about Mia. Mia has 1 dime and 3 pennies. Who are we talking about? Mia. What does Mia have? Dimes. What else does Mia have? Pennies. Make sure it's underlined. How many dimes? 1, circled. How many pennies? 3, circled. Whose amount of money is a greater value? Remember we talked about greater means more. Who has the larger amount? Who has the bigger amount? Circle your question mark. So you're looking who has more money. Is it Sharon or is it Mia? When you've got all your important details underlined, put a check in your read box and unpause Miss Suggs. Let's go to our drawing. Okay, we're talking about 2 different people. So remember when we talk about 2 different people, we divide our paper evenly down the middle. Okay, we're going to put Sharon on this side, Mia on this side. Get your paper labeled. You got it, unpause Miss Suggs. Okay, let's do Sharon's first. It says Sharon has 3 dimes. So Miss Suggs did our 3 circles with the 10 inside so we can represent that they equal 10. Okay, and she had 1 penny. So we're going to do 1 circle with the 1 inside. All right, now we want to find Sharon's total amount of money. Okay, so let's write a number sentence. Well, first I'm going to put my tens together because they're all alike. Okay, so I'm going to say 10, 20, 30. That equals 30 cents because remember, we count by tens. Okay, but plus this one that's on the outside. Okay, so 30 plus 1 more gives us 31 cents. Okay, once you got your number sentence, unpause Miss Suggs. Now we're going to put that into a number bond to help us. Okay, we're going to do our tens on this side. We're going to do our ones on this side. We'll do our total at the top. Okay, we had 30, we had 1, and 30 plus 1 more is 31. Do Sharon's side when you got her done, unpause Miss Suggs. All right, let's look at Mia. Labeled Mia at the top. Mia had 1 dime, so that means we're going to make 1 coin with 10 inside, represents 10. Okay, but she had 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. Those represent 1 cent. So make sure your picture looks like this picture up here. Okay, I'm going to count it. 10, and then we want to put that together with these ones. We're going to 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 more gives us 13. Okay, now we're going to bring that down to our number bond. Remember, 10's on this side, 1's on this side, total at the top. Okay, now we've got to figure out from this drawing, once we put our check in our draw box, figure out in this drawing who has the greater amount of money. Is 31 bigger than 13? Or is 13 larger than 31? If you're saying 31, you're right. Why do you think 31 is bigger? Well, let's look at that first number. Remember that first number represents our tens. Okay, is this have more? Is 3 larger than 1? Right, she has more tens than ones. She has more tens than ones. She has more ones than tens. she has more tens, her number is bigger. So we're going to go down and do our right part. Who has the greater amount? 31 is larger than 13. So we're going to say Sharon has a greater amount of money. I'm going to use this right here. Greater amount of money. Okay, you can copy it straight from here. We're going to use that, what we call the pull down strategy. Pull it straight down to here. Sharon has a greater amount of money. Okay, remember to start with a capital letter, finger spaces, period at the end. When you're done, you may go on to your Zern lesson. Have a great day.